so windy. Hey, I got a fun fact here. If you were to look on a GPS map of this particular area, it would show that there is a lake here. And you know, you look and it's like, oh, it should be right here. Well, guess what? It's a grown over lake. See? Pretty shallow still, but this ground, oh yeah, you can feel it just sinking, and it's really like spongy. So, and my feet are getting wet now. Well, but this is a grown over lake, so there's water underneath me. Pretty cool, eh? Somebody came out here and went, no. See, look at that. I don't know, have any idea of how deep this is, but it is a lake. And no way I would take my KLR out on it. Oh well. Time to head home. Everybody, have a good one.